Well, hello everybody. I can't believe fall is right around the corner. Fall's like in a couple days. Like, I can't believe it. But hey, I'm excited to share with you guys my Walmart beauty box. Now, yes, Walmart. I've been doing this box for years and it is by far one of my favorite boxes because I use this stuff like crazy, especially when I travel or whatever. Sorry, I do have a sunburn right here because it's like back to 70, 80, 90 degrees out again. Last week it was 50. This week we're back to 90. But can't even tell. Fall's right around the corner. So if you guys are interested in this box, you can just Google the Walmart beauty box. You pay $7 4 times a year if you want to do it. And I'm loving it. Was it last month I got some really good stuff? I can't remember. Some months are like awesome and then some months suck, and then you never know. But let's just dig in and go, whoa. Okay, so here we got perfect fall beauty haul. It comes with like a nice little card, and then it shows me everything that I might get inside the box. Okay, so the stuff that I don't really care about is like, I got Milani Conceal Perfect, like a primer. You get like one little sample, so we got that. It's saying the primer sachets, full size is $13.97, whatever that is. Here we have an Adidas perfume bottle. Yes, it says the full size of this is $24.98. I got the flavor Energy Drive. I don't know what it smells like, but little sample. Okay, and then I got one of these makeup eraser, like it's like a little, it says it's full size. This one says it's $9.97. I don't know if this is considered full size. It says erase all makeup with just water, including waterproof and SPF. So this is like one of these little, like really soft little rug or little wipes or something. I don't know if this is considered full size. I think it is. So this is saying it's $9.97. And then we have Physicians Formula. This looks like it is a full size. No, it's not. This is a little sample, but it is Physicians Formula Diamond Mascara. And this one looks like a good chunk. Like, that's why I'm confused if it's full size. So full size is $9.98. But this one looks awesome. I mean, look at that. Are you sure this is not full size? It's not. This is like, oh my god. I love it. Love it. I'm running out of the one mascara, so got that one as a sample size for that. I also got the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In. This one is 2 fluid ounces. The full size is $40. So I don't know how much this one costs. I could check the Walmart app. But this one looks like this looks like it's probably in the travel size. I don't know really what this is, but I've heard about it. What does it say? Spray evenly from the mid shaft to ends on towel dried hair. Do not rinse out. Comb through and style as desired. So we got that. Let's see how much this costs. It's gonna scan. So it's not telling me how much it costs. Doesn't say, but we got that. Okay, and then I also have, why can't you send me conditioner and shampoo? So I got a good size bottle of the OGX Renewing shampoo for this. This one, let's see if this one scans. So they're saying this one's $2.97. So now I gotta get the conditioner, you know, so I can travel with it. But I have not tried the shampoo, so I'm pretty excited for that. And then I think sold as a set, do not separate. I got like a bag full of CoverGirl stuff. So let's just see what this is. So here we have the CoverGirl Clean Invisible foundation. And it looks like it comes in a sample for every single one, so you can find your true color. That's one thing I like because it's hard to find what color you are. So yeah, so I have 16 different little samples to figure out what kind of foundation I'd want. So we got that, so that's kind of cool. So that was everything that I got in the box. They're saying like the full size of this is $6.88 for if you got that, and then there's supposed to be some Eucerin Gentle cleaning gel. I would have loved that, but every box is different. And then they have some, it's a 10 blow dry heat shield. So I don't know. I'm gonna say I think this box was worth $7 because I said this right here is $2.97. I'm gonna say this is about $2, $3, $4. Because like this is a pretty good, and that bottle is full. We got this. Let's just say this is not even worth anything. We got the Diamond Mascara. This is a sample, but I think this is really good. We're going to say this is like $3, $4. I don't know. If this is a full-size one, this is 10. And then we also have the Adidas. And then we also have the Milani thing. So for $7, I think I got a pretty good deal as everything falls out. So if you guys enjoyed this box, make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoy this just as much as I do. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.